builder, electrician, plumber, engineer, accountant, lawyer, banker, businesswoman. He can build a house. He turns the power on. He can fix a tap. He checks the plans. He keeps the books. He signs a contract. He keeps your money. A company director. Boxing, golf, tennis, volleyball, table tennis, badminton, football, basketball, a knockout punch, a hole-in-one, an overhead smash, a block at the net, a forehand drive, serve for the match, a penalty shootout, call a timeout, bus, car, taxi, bicycle, motorcycle, horse, plane, kite, drive a bus, drive a car, drive a taxi, ride a bicycle, ride a motorcycle, ride a horse, fly a plane, fly a kite, shower, slow, time, look, photo, bus, nap, notes, take a shower, take it slow, take your time, take a look, take a photo, take the bus, take a nap, take notes,